Good morning, Kutis. Welcome to our online science class. In our previous class, we learned about types of plants. Let's tell me, Kutis, what are the types of plants we already studied? What are the types of plant we already studied? Yes, a big plant and small plants. Okay, Kutis. Give some example of big plant. Give some example of big plant. Yes, neem tree, banyan tree. Basically, trees are called big plants, right? Okay. What are the small plants we studied in our previous class? Let's think, Kutis. What are the small plants we studied in our previous class? Yes, shrubs, herbs, climbers, then creepers, and finally thorny plants, right? So, Kutis, shrubs means bushy plants. It has small and strong stem. Understand? For example, rose, tulasi. Then, herbs also called seasonal plants. It has weak and soft stem. Then climbers. These plants cannot stand without any support. Did you understand, Kutis? These plants cannot stand without any support. Then creepers. It have weak stem. This plant also have a weak stem and it spread along with the ground. Right? For example, watermelon, pumpkin. Then our last small plant is thorny plants. Thorny plants have thorns. For example, rose, cactus. Let's see, Kutis, what are the parts are having in a plants? What are the parts? Yes, root, stem, flower, fruit and bud. Did you remember this all topics, Kutis? Yes, okay. Today we are going to do book exercise of this topic. What we do in this class means, let's see. Choose the correct word from the box and fill in the blanks. We have to choose the correct word to this fill-ups. First question is, big and strong plants are called dash. Let's think, Kutis. Big and strong plants are called, yes, of course, trees. So we have to write trees. T-R-E-E-S. Trees. Then our second question is, dash need support to stand. Which plant need to support? Yes, climbers. Climbers cannot stand without any support, right? So, we have to write climbers. C-L-I-M-B-E-R-S. Climbers. Then our third question is, animals do not eat plants that have dash. Yes, thorns. Because thorn break us when we touch them. Then our fourth question is, dash grow under the ground. Yes, roots grow under the ground. Our fifth question is, the plants which spread along the ground are called dash. Which plant have spread along the ground? Yes, creepers. For example, watermelon, pumpkin, cucumber, etc. So we have to write creepers. 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 After that, we have to complete question number B. Mark tick for correct and cross for wrong statement in the box. Leaves of different plants have different shapes. Yes, this is true. Every leaves have different size and shapes. So we have to tick this box. Then trees can stand straight. Yes, trees, all the trees can stand straight. So we have to tick this box. Then cactus does not have thorns. Yes, cactus have thorns because no one animal cannot touch them. So cactus protect themselves. So cactus have thorns. This is a false statement. So we have to cross this box. Then our fourth question is, leaves of neem and mango trees are of same shape. Is neem and mango trees leaves are same shape? No. Neem leaf is a small and mango tree leaf is big. So we have to cross it. Then our fifth question is, the bean plant is a climber. Yes, bean plant is a climber. Yes, true. So we have to tick this box. Then we have to move third question number C. Answer the following question. Name 2 trees you have seen. Name mango. Name 2 climber. Yes, P beans. Then name 2 plants that have thorns. Yes, cactus, rose. Name 2 shrubs. Yes, for example, tulasi, jasmine. So cuties, we have to write correct answer for this questions. Then let's move question number D. Match the following with this line. Now we are going to match. First, look at this picture. What is this? Yes, tree. So we have to match. T-R-E-E, tree. So we have to match. Then look at this picture. What is this, cuties? Yes, rose. So which one is the correct answer? Rose is a creeper? No. Rose is a climber? No. This is a seasonal plant? No. Rose is a tree? No. Plant with thorns? Yes, rose have a thorns. So we have to match this plant with thorns. Then what is this picture? Yes, this is pumpkin. So pumpkin is a creeper, right? So we have to match creeper. Then what is this picture? Yes, money plant. Money plant is a climber. This is climbers cannot stand without any support. So we have to match climber. Then What is this? Yes, tomato plant. Tomato plant is a seasonal plant. Herbs. Okay, seasonal plant is also called herbs. So this is a seasonal plant. Seasonal plants only live in one season. Our fifth question is unscramble the word to name the following plants. So cuties, here is a unscramble word. We have to rearrange the word which is correct. First is, what is this? Is palm tree. So we have to write PALM, palm, in this box. Then this is a rose plant. So we have to rearrange the word correctly. ROSE, rose. Then what is this? Peace plant. So we have to rearrange the word and write this box. PEAS, peace. Finally, we are going to do activity. Collect pictures of 10 plants and paste them in your science notebook. You have to collect different kinds of plants leaf and you have to paste in your science notebook. Understand, cuties? You have to paste different kinds of plants leaf in your science notebook. Then our second activity is collect leaves of different plants, paste them in your science notebook, write their names. So what we do means, you have to collect different kinds of leaves and paste in your science notebook. Then you have to collect plants picture and paste in your science notebook. If the plant is herbs, shrubs, thorny plants or trees, whatever it is, you have to collect and paste your science notebook. So your tomorrow homework is, you have to collect 10 plants and paste your science notebook and collect different kinds of plants leaf and paste your science notebook. Right? Okay. So cuties, you have to complete this exercise in your book. Thank you.